Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video and I'm going to be doing the barbed wire girl makeup look. This is more of a random idea that I just had and I wanted to try out because I got some new makeup from IMATS recently, so let's get started. To prime my face, I used the Too Faced Hangover primer, and then I'm going to be going in with Lumi pigment in the glitter base from Lit Cosmetics and Sugarpill. And I realized that Lumi was kind of translucent still, so I wanted to add a more opaque color to it. So I went ahead and I added the other pigment from Sugarpill, which is called Clickbait. So to get that metallic liquid look, I just went ahead and I mixed a little bit of water in with the pigment, and then I applied it to my face. And I tried to make it as even as possible, so that's why I'm going back and forth in with the pigment. And to block my brows, I'm just using my edge control from First Touchdown. For me, this works a lot better than using the glue stick, and it lays it down really, really flat. So while the edge control is drying, I'm just going back in more with Clickbait again, just to make sure that everything looks a little bit more opaque and to make sure everything looks more even. So to finish blocking out my brows, I'm going to go in with my translucent powder from Absolute New York. I did miss a clip in here. I don't know what happened. I think it just stopped while I was trying to film. And I'm just covering them with the pigment. Now I'm going in with one last layer. I don't want to miss any patches or anything, so it looks a little bit patchy on my cheeks. So I went back in with that again. And after that, I'm going to go in with contouring. So to shade and contour, I'm going to be going in with the Countess pigment. Next time, I'm actually going to just go in with my palette instead because the pigment was kind of going everywhere. It's not the best to shade with, but I think that it still looked pretty good. So I know that my face already looks highlighted enough, but I'm going in again with my Unicorn Glow palette from Face Candy. And I'm just going to add in a blue highlight onto my cheeks. Then I add it in white over top. I'm also making sure to highlight my collarbone as well as my neck and my ears. I'm also adding some holographic stars that I got from Lit Cosmetics on my cheekbones. I'm really happy how these turned out. Now I'm going in with my lip base. I'm going to be actually putting on a purple pigment onto my lips. It's really, really shiny, and I thought it would go well with the greenish pigment on my face. For my eyes, I'm going to be going in with Sugarpill's liquid lipstick in 0. And yes, this one is eye safe, so I'm just going to use it to make my eyes look more hollow. And after that, I'm going to be going in with my eyeshadow and just making it even more black to set the lipstick. I'm also going to be using the shadow just to contour even more over the purple pigment that I used earlier. And I'm just trying to hollow everything out. Now finally, I just added a wig and some wire to my look. And I'm also adding in Sugarpill's Goldilux, but I was just experimenting here just to make my lips look, you know, more vibrant, I guess. And that's it for this look. I hope that you guys like this makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing more really soon and also some fashion videos, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. And also click the notification bell down below to see more of my uploads. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!